Hello everyone, I'm Tianyuan. Today we're making a clay pot seafood vermicelli casserole. The main ingredients are listed on the screen. Start by cleaning the shrimp and making a slit along the back. Clean the squid and slice it into rings or thin strips. You can also substitute with other seafood you like. Then bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch the shrimp and squid separately for about 10 seconds each. Take them out and set aside. Next, prepare the vermicelli and place it in a bowl. Make sure to use thin vermicelli for this recipe. Bring water to a boil in a steamer. Place the vermicelli in the steamer and steam it for 5 to 8 minutes. Take it out and immediately soak it in cold water. Let it sit and soften naturally for about 30 minutes. Once the vermicelli has softened, drain the water and transfer it to another bowl. Add 1 egg yolk and a bit of dark soy sauce to the bowl. Now let's start stir-frying the vermicelli. If you're using a non-stick pan, you can start stir-frying directly. But if you're using a cast iron wok, you need to heat it up until it's extremely hot. Wait until you see smoke rising, then turn off the heat and wait for about 10 seconds before adding oil. Next, we'll add the ingredients. Start by sautéing the ginger and garlic until fragrant. The shredded carrot, sliced green pepper, and sliced shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry everything until softened. Don't add the onions yet. We'll use them later for a different step. Add the seasonings shown on the screen and stir everything well. Then add the vermicelli into the pan. Use medium-low heat and gently stir-fry. It only takes a few minutes for the vermicelli to soften, since we already steamed it earlier. So it will cook through very quickly. Once the vermicelli is fully cooked, you can use scissors to trim it slightly if it's too long. Then reduce the sauce in the pan until it's almost dry. Make sure the vermicelli is fully cooked through. Then turn off the heat. Prepare a clay pot. First, drizzle a bit of oil and lay the sliced onions we set aside earlier at the bottom of the pot. Place the pot over the stove and gently heat it up. Then add the stir-fried vermicelli on top. Arrange the seafood we prepared earlier over the vermicelli. Do not stir. Drizzle some cooking wine on top. This not only adds fragrance, but also introduces a bit of moisture. Cover the pot with a lid and heat it over medium-low heat. Let the steam warm everything through and allow the flavors to blend. Finally, sprinkle some chopped green onions before serving. And it's ready to enjoy.